Others may choose to be silent about the crisis in Mozambique, but Southern Africa does not have that luxury. We are literally the same people, separated only by an artificial border. So quite frankly, the question to be asked is, do we value the lives and the will of our brothers and sisters, or don't we? Sandabila mashoko anoona kuti fadzai Mahere anouya achivanyorera tsamba wakomana maleaders achiti aiwa, do you even value upenyu hwepa brothers and sisters, kana kuti you don't ever think of that? Sandabila mashoko amudachokwa panapa nambari wa subscribe like turn the bell kuti unavene pakanyora chiti, how can key actors in the region be quick to run around when there is a humanitarian crisis in Gaza, but lose their moral compass and voice when the humanitarian crisis is next door? In the cynical inaction, what Samora Machel, Nelson Mandela, Kwame Nkrumah, and other giants of the Pan-African dream fought for. Can it ever be right to replace a colonial oppressor with an African one? Democracy is central to achieving peace and security. When citizens are vocalizing concerns, the region cannot bury its head in the sand or try and mute the will of the people. Put yourselves in the shoes of those citizens. Can you not see how this is a slap in the face from the region? Where is the leadership in this time of crisis? Where is the courage? Where is the solidarity? Speaking purely as a citizens, this is unacceptable. We need new leaders. Ndo mashoko anoya anyogwana fadzai Mahere achonoti vakomana with the Sadc block vanoya zvavo vospenda zvavo ma-thousands vari muzvavo munyika yeZimbabwe, but vachadza kupa ma-resolutions chaiwo anobatika kuresolve ma-crisis ari next door to Mozambique pamwe chete nari kunana DRC uko. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana kumese kuchimedu, so subscribe or like, so turn the bell icon.